COPALUM, a registered trademark of TE Connectivity, formerly known as AMP Incorporated, is available to both electricians and homeowners through authorized distributors. The equipment required to install COPALUM is not exclusive to electricians, but it is highly recommended to use a qualified electrician for the best results. The COPALUM crimping tools and other equipment are available for purchase from authorized distributors. The cost of the tools can vary depending on the model and its specific features. While the equipment can be expensive, it is a one-time investment that can be utilized for multiple projects involving aluminum wiring repair. AMP Incorporated offers training programs for electricians on the proper use and installation of COPALUM connectors. While this training is not mandatory, it is highly recommended for individuals who wish to become proficient and knowledgeable in using the COPALUM system effectively. The cost of installing COPALUM will vary depending on the number of connections that need to be addressed and the complexity of the project itself. However, it is generally more expensive than traditional methods of connecting aluminum wiring, such as the use of wire nuts or solderless connectors. It's important to understand that the Consumer Product Safety Commission, commonly referred to as CPSC, has not explicitly approved or endorsed any specific method for connecting aluminum wiring. However, COPALUM is a recognized and widely used method that meets the CPSC's guidelines for reducing the risk of fires associated with aluminum wiring in residential properties. If you are not comfortable installing COPALUM yourself, it is strongly advisable to hire a qualified electrician who has experience with the COPALUM system and its proper installation techniques. Always purchase the COPALUM equipment and connectors from an authorized distributor to ensure compatibility with the system and the quality of the materials used. Consider the cost of the COPALUM installation when evaluating the overall cost of the home purchase, as this will give you a more accurate understanding of the investment required to address the aluminum wiring issue. Finally, when selling the house, be sure to inform potential buyers about the COPALUM installation to demonstrate the safety measures that have been taken to address the aluminum wiring and reduce potential fire hazards. The key to safe and effective aluminum wiring repair using COPALUM is proper installation and adherence to safety guidelines. Aluminum wiring presents unique challenges due to its properties, such as a higher coefficient of thermal expansion compared to copper and a tendency to oxidize, which can lead to loose connections and potential fire hazards. COPALUM connectors are designed to address these issues by providing a secure and reliable connection between aluminum wires and copper devices, such as outlets and switches. The COPALUM system involves crimping a specially designed connector onto the aluminum wire using a high-pressure crimping tool. This creates a cold weld that ensures a tight and durable connection, preventing oxidation and loosening over time. The connector also includes a layer of insulation to protect the connection from corrosion and moisture. The training programs offered by TE Connectivity cover various aspects of COPALUM installation, including proper wire preparation, connector selection, crimping techniques, and inspection procedures. These programs are designed to equip electricians with the knowledge and skills necessary to install COPALUM connectors correctly and safely. When hiring an electrician for COPALUM installation, it is essential to verify their experience and qualifications. Ask for references and inquire about their familiarity with the COPALUM system. A qualified electrician will be able to assess the aluminum wiring in your home, determine the number of connections that need to be addressed, and provide an accurate estimate of the installation cost. It is also important to ensure that the electrician follows all applicable electrical codes and safety regulations during the installation process. This includes disconnecting the power supply before working on any electrical circuits, using appropriate personal protective equipment, and properly grounding all connections. In addition to COPALUM, there are other methods available for connecting aluminum wiring, such as the use of CO/ALR rated devices and antioxidant compounds. However, COPALUM is generally considered to be the most reliable and long-lasting solution, as it provides a mechanical connection that is less susceptible to loosening and corrosion. While COPALUM installation can be more expensive than other methods, it offers a greater level of safety and peace of mind. When evaluating the cost of COPALUM installation, it is important to consider the long-term benefits of the system. By preventing loose connections and reducing the risk of fire, COPALUM can help protect your home and family from potential hazards. It can also increase the value of your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers. If you are considering purchasing a home with aluminum wiring, it is essential to have the wiring inspected by a qualified electrician. The electrician can assess the condition of the wiring and recommend the appropriate course of action. If COPALUM installation is recommended, be sure to obtain multiple quotes from different electricians to ensure that you are getting a fair price. In conclusion, COPALUM is a reliable and effective solution for connecting aluminum wiring and reducing the risk of fire. While it may be more expensive than other methods, it offers a greater level of safety and peace of mind. If you are considering COPALUM installation, be sure to hire a qualified electrician who has experience with the system and follows all applicable electrical codes and safety regulations. Remember to always prioritize safety when dealing with electrical wiring. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to leave it to the professionals. By taking the necessary precautions and using the appropriate methods, you can ensure that your home is safe and free from electrical hazards. The process of installing COPALUM involves several key steps. Firstly, the electrician will need to identify all the aluminum wiring connections that need to be addressed. This typically involves inspecting all outlets, switches, light fixtures, and other electrical devices in the home. Secondly, the electrician will prepare the aluminum wires by removing any existing connections and cleaning the wires to remove any oxidation or corrosion. This is crucial for ensuring a proper connection with the COPALUM connector. Thirdly, the electrician will select the appropriate COPALUM connector size for the wire gauge being used. COPALUM connectors are available in various sizes to accommodate different wire gauges. Fourthly, the electrician will use the specialized COPALUM crimping tool to crimp the connector onto the aluminum wire. The crimping tool applies a specific amount of pressure to create a cold weld between the connector and the wire. Fifthly, the electrician will inspect the crimped connection to ensure that it is secure and meets the manufacturer's specifications. This is typically done using a go/no-go gauge to verify that the crimp is within the acceptable range. Sixthly, the electrician will wrap the connection with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to provide additional insulation and protection. This helps to prevent corrosion and moisture from affecting the connection. Seventhly, the electrician will reconnect the wires to the electrical device, such as an outlet or switch. They will ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Finally, the electrician will test the circuit to ensure that it is working properly and that there are no shorts or other electrical problems. This is typically done using a multimeter or other testing equipment. A COPALUM system is designed to provide a long-lasting and reliable connection between aluminum wires and copper devices. However, it is important to note that the effectiveness of the system depends on proper installation and maintenance. It is recommended to have the COPALUM connections inspected periodically by a qualified electrician to ensure that they are still in good condition. If any problems are detected, such as loose connections or corrosion, this should be addressed promptly to prevent potential hazards. In addition to the installation process, it is also important to consider the overall condition of the aluminum wiring in the home. If the wiring is old or damaged, it may be necessary to replace it entirely with copper wiring. This is a more expensive option than COPALUM installation, but it provides the most reliable and long-lasting solution. When selling a home with aluminum wiring, it is important to disclose this information to potential buyers. This will allow them to make an informed decision about whether or not to purchase the property. It is also recommended to provide buyers with documentation of any COPALUM installations or other aluminum wiring repairs that have been performed. This will help to demonstrate that the wiring has been properly addressed and that the home is safe. The Consumer Product Safety Commission (CPSC) provides information and resources on aluminum wiring safety. It is recommended to consult the CPSC website for more information on the potential hazards of aluminum wiring and the steps that can be taken to mitigate these risks. The CPSC also provides guidance on selecting qualified electricians and ensuring that aluminum wiring repairs are performed safely and effectively. In addition to the CPSC, there are other organizations that provide information and resources on aluminum wiring safety, such as the Electrical Safety Foundation International (ESFI). SV offers educational materials and training programs for electricians and homeowners on various aspects of electrical safety, including aluminum wiring. It is important to stay informed about the latest safety recommendations and best practices for aluminum wiring to ensure the safety of your home and family. Always consult with a qualified electrician before making any decisions about aluminum wiring repairs or replacements. They can assess the specific situation in your home and recommend the most appropriate course of action. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous, so it is always best to leave it to the professionals. By taking the necessary precautions and following the recommendations of qualified electricians and safety organizations, you can ensure that your home is safe from the potential hazards of aluminum wiring. Remember these important points. Firstly, COPALUM is a recognized method for addressing aluminum wiring connections. Secondly, proper installation by a qualified electrician is crucial for its effectiveness. And thirdly, disclosure to potential buyers is important when selling a home with aluminum wiring.